Alright guys, it is time. I've had this base, I've had to fix it so many times. I don't have another let's fix it in me. It's 3D printed, ABS plastic, hot glue all over the fucking place. A little bit of epoxy resin. You know, the usual. Oh, and it's hot glued down to my table here. Been using this for DCS. I made it myself, so I'm proud of it. But the novelty of making my own controllers worn off. Got like a little trim switch. I've got the double detented. Both of them work. Paddle switch. I even painted some of this thing. So I like the stick, but its functionality is shot. I mean, right now I have it working pretty well. I mean, as well as it can. It's calibrated, it works, but it's one of those things, man, where I'm gonna elbow it one more time. I'm gonna have to melt the hot glue on the bottom to get it to stick to the table again. Any little thing that's gonna cause this thing, it doesn't have any more let's fix it left. One more and it's done. So my solution is going to be to use make the exact same thing, just out of cast aluminum. So I've got an older one, and as if it makes sense, the reason I already know that the fate of this thing is because we've got the older one right here. So, you know, I've gotten this one straightened back out with a heat gun, cleaned up. After I clean off the hot glue, it'll look exactly like it did when I printed it out. I really don't feel like printing another one out unless I decide to do this in a different process. But I've got everything basically cleaned up. I'm gonna heat it up and get the rest of that hot glue off there here in a minute, and we're gonna go outside and make us a sand mold. Now I'm actually considering making a plaster mold for the gears, and then I'll burn that out and everything. Make a two-part mold. I'll burn out the gears. Hopefully, I don't know. I'll figure out a way to do it just to make sure I get a real good clean mold. And yeah, after that I'll pour everything and see where we're at. So yeah, stay tuned, man. See ya.